So growing potatoes is fun, but sometimes it's hard to know when to harvest them. You know, too soon and they'll be too small, and too late, they can just rot in the ground. So potatoes can be harvested at any size, but to get the biggest potatoes, you're going to want to harvest them when the plant is done. So for the early varieties, otherwise known as determinate potatoes, the plant will die back to the ground in about 90 days. So it will put on a cluster of potatoes at the base of the plant in the soil. So once the tops have died back, you can dig your potatoes. Now for the late season potatoes, you can dig the potatoes at any time. The late season or indeterminate potatoes will keep making potatoes at each leaf joint that is under the soil. So usually a frost will kill the tops, and at this point they will be done making potatoes. So when you dig them up, you'll have mature sized potatoes all the way down to little baby potatoes. All right, so I'm here in my early potato patch, and as you can tell, the plants have, some of them are completely dead, and most of them have died back. They're definitely on their way out. So to dig up this potato patch, I'm just going to pull that up. Oh look, we got potatoes already. And we're just going to grab these. Wow, look at that beauty. And grab these potatoes out of here. So these are the determinate potatoes, or the early season, and they're just going to make this one cluster just right here at the base of the plant. So after digging your potatoes, you're going to want to wash them. I put them in the yard and just soak them down with a hose. And then we're going to want to cure the skins at room temperature. So after 3 days of curing the skins, the potatoes are ready for storage. You can store them in a root cellar, in a dark closet, or in the refrigerator. I don't really put them in anything but just a container that has a little bit of air, so it can flow in and out, so don't seal them. You can eat the smaller potatoes first because they will not keep as well, so you want to sort the big ones and small ones. And if you want to keep your potatoes longer than that, then you can process them. They can be canned or they can be frozen.